barbecue. Hi guys, see Lola's Kitchen now.
Paano ito muna?
Gisa-gisa?
Yes, gisa-gisa. Sote, honey, sote.
Gisa-gisa, yeah.
Why you speak English?
And Mr. Paul is perfect
She said,
barbecue.
he's in Canada.
Yeah,
Where are you from?
Where am I, Canada?
I'm from Chile.
No, I think you are from
From Chile, Bicol.
Cuba. Look like look like Nepali.
I'm from Nepal. No, I'm from Chile. You know Chile, Bicol.
Aray ko. What happened to you today? Why you are wearing like that?
Yeah, because we celebrate the off day today.
I put
So we will
tomato
cook.
paste.
Tomato paste.
It's what you cook for today?
Bupis recipe.
Yeah, this is Lula Kitchen.
Yeah.
She's cooking Bupis
Yes,
recipe.
recipe. Yes.
Yeah,
I put tomato paste.
Tomato paste. She put first
Yes,
tomato
tomato
paste.
paste.
After the
Okay.
you know. And this is Paul
Then I
Anderson.
put this one.
What you put next? What they call that?
Mamacitas ascuete.
Sweetie.
Yes,
Yeah.
ascuete.
It's
Mamacitas.
more red color.
Color, yeah. Red.
Yeah, red color.
No, color is
And she's Moro Vlog. Yeah, beautiful Moro Vlog. And Lola's Kitchen.
More vlog. Where
Don't
is
forget
it from?
to like and subscribe to Lola's Kitchen and Moro
And then
Vlog.
I put from
Yeah.
Pampasarap. Yeah.
By the way, excuse me, because
Nor
we have
chicken, nor.
visitors
Nor
from.
chicken.
Hello. Hi guys. Hello.
Nalasing na ba siya?
Lasing na yata yan. I put little water,
Okay. Hindi ko naman yung pinupost lang.
Hindi mo yan.
Kasi okay lang na mahaba. Dahil na 1,000 ano na ako.
Hi!
Hi Lola.
Then I put the...
Hi Paul. Thank you because you cook for the.
Gizzard. Yeah,
What is that?
yeah,
It's
my
a-
bupis.
bupis.
Gizzard and liver.
Gizzard
With
and
heart.
liver, yeah.
With heart.
What is that in Tagalog?
Bupis.
Bupis and in Tagalog is balon-balunan.
Yeah, balon-balunan.
Yeah,
Sorry.
balon-balunan.
When?
And instantain.
Atay ng manok?
Instantain.
And
Yeah, instantain.
Atay ang manok.
Look delicious, right?
Yeah, it's very delicious. And you see this fish barbecue. It's a very perfect. No sticky. See? I can push.
So why you touch that
I
one?
can touch. All it's very hot. It's hard. It's very hot.
I put the ingredients, carrots and radish.
Yes, it's nice. Paul and Lola.
Wow.
Galing Paul ng pagka ano mo yun.
So
Hindi siya tumigil.
delicious.
Ha? Yeah, because you know it's mantika. It's oil.
Wait. And then I put
Yeah, what you put? Mix oyster. Yeah, oyster.
Oyster sauce.
Oyster. Hi Jane. Hi, how are you?
I'm busy. Wait lang kasi napapasabak tayo sa English din eh.
Because we speak, we talking English. It's paminta. You want paminta?
Yes, black pepper. Yeah.
Okay, Miss Sarah, I will get paminta.
I don't know. I don't have
one
paminta.
moment, Okay.
Yala.
Just a minute. I will get paminta.
This is the cookie. This is the cooker. She know how to cook very well. Ano ba yan na pa-English ako kaya, no?
Ano na? Kuya, patay ko na. Kuya Paul!
Saglit!
Ano daw? Ano yung kailangan?
Duster daw.
Cluster sa?
Duster.
Ah, duster.
Sino magda-duster?
Be! Ay. Meron ka bang ano? Dahon ng laurel.
Ah, wala. So, ready na yan?
Di pa. Titimpla ka na lang. Di ko lang pang ang timplan. Di ko alam kung may timpla. Hindi ka ba tapos? Lalagyan ko lang siya ng dahon ng laurel.
Okay guys, luto na yan. So, tatakpan mo pa? Tatakpan lang ng konti, then ready to eat na yan. So, ready na lahat yan guys. Masarap magluto si Lola, Mamita. Yan ang bukis niya ngayon. Thank you for watching guys. And
I put this
subscribe. Lagyan pa ng dahon ng laro. Ano yan?
Dahon, bay leaves.
Bilis.
Okay, then
Laurel.
tatakpan ko siya.
Then, tatakpan na po. Ayan.
Oh, mamaya na
Okay
ulit.
guys.